Okay, we're going to do factoring by grouping. This is a way of factoring when the lead coefficient is greater than 1. So in this instance we have a 3x squared. Because it's greater than 1, it's a little bit more challenging to factor. The first thing you want to look at is you want to multiply the first coefficient by the last coefficient. 3 times 6 is going to give us 18. The 3 and the 6 will come down. But what you're looking to do is find what multiplies to 18 but also adds to the middle, which is 11. So we see that 9 times 2 adds to 18 and 9 plus 2 adds to 11. Now again, the 3 and the 6, they just come straight down. But the middle splits. The middle is split apart by the factors that you found, the 9 and the 2, because they add to the 11. So you can look at 9x plus 2x made the 11. Now you just do regular factoring out. You can get a 3x out of the front and you can get a 2 out of the back. And you can see then that you can group those. The 3x plus 2 is the first group and the x plus 3 is the back group. Then you can check this and you can see that if you FOIL, you're going to get, with that equation with the middle right there still showing 9x plus 2x. And that should be, when you add it all together, it's going to be the same as the top. Let's do another. That might have been a little quick. Let's do this one again. Again, in this one you can almost see it directly. It's more apparent. You have the first and the last. 8 times 2 is 16. But what multiplies to 16? What two numbers multiply to 16 but also add to 10, which is the middle number? And we have 8 and 2. So you bring everything down. The 8 comes straight down. The 2 comes straight down. The center was split. The 10 was divided into 8x and 2x. And again, you can just do your regular factoring. 8x comes out and the 2 comes out of the back. So then you group those, 8x plus 2 and x plus 1. That's your actual answer. But you can check it. You can see that if you FOIL, you're going to get 8x squared plus 8x plus 2x plus 2. And when you combine those terms again, you're going to get 8x squared plus 10x plus 2, which is the same as the top. So we have another example here. This is a little bit bigger. It's a little bit more challenging. We're going to do, let's say the number was larger, 40. It should still work in the same manner. We get a 40 times negative 3. You're going to get a negative 20. The first 40 times the last negative 3. And now you have to find what would give you the result of 2. When you try it, and it'll take a while to see it, but it's negative 10 and 12. Timesing it will result in negative 20, but when you add it, it results in a 2. Again, you split the center, the 12x and the negative 10x. But there's a little trick here. You have to rearrange them because it's easier for the 12 and the 3 to factor and group together rather than the 40 and the and the 10 are going to go together more easily. So the 40x squared and the negative 10x are going to give you a 10x coming out, and the last part you're going to get a 3 coming out, and you group those. Now once again, just go through FOILing and you're going to check your answers, and the bottom there is going to be the same as the top.